Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit campground information on the Dyrt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home or search button to select a campground that you would like to alter or change some information about it. And after that, you should scroll down, and here you can find the add campground info button. So tap on it, and here you can edit the campground's name, website. You can add the phone number, email address, operator, and state can be selected. Here you can select the location on the map. You can set the longitude, latitude. You can set the pricing, season start, season end, accommodation. So just tap on the relevant ones that you want to alter, and then click on the save button at the bottom of the screen when you are done adding your changes, and then it will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.